All right, welcome back. So we're just continuing on with our previous video here about two-dimensional arrays. We created a two-dimensional array of integers called grid. These are the numbers that we populated our array with. And then we just printed out each individual element of that array if we wanted to print each element. But let's go ahead and what if we want to print out the entire array? Now there's a couple different ways you can do this. I find this way works really well, is to use two for loops. So we're going to say oops. And then we're going to go ahead. So this is going to go through each element of the array. Very common use of the for loop here. So what's happening here is it's going to go through each element, each element of the array and then print that off. So you'll see it move along and it'll print 152 and then 386 and 568. It'll actually just print it in that exact order here. So let's go ahead and run this. Oh, and then lots of errors. System.out.print. You did not like my for loop. Oh, wait a minute. We have too much spacing going on here. All right, let's see here. Not so much with that. Here we go. So I have a print right here. So this is going to print along the line. So the 152, I need to also make sure that this is a new line here. Otherwise, there's no room for them. Okay, so let's try this again. There we go. Always the little things. So here we go. So there's 152, 386, 568. So this is going to just go ahead and print this off in grid format here for you. Okay. So this is really helpful to be able to print each element of the array and print it in this particular format. And this can be different, if you add more elements to this, if you had, 4 columns and 5 rows, or it does not matter. Whatever you have in there, it will print those in this format. All right. Hopefully this helps you, and good luck with your coding.